A TimberHP insulation is crafted from wood fibers and stands strong against moisture, mold, and ROS. It can enjoy 2 hours of direct fire contact, thanks to the addition of borate, a common chemical found in various products, from detergents to hygiene products. The insulation is eco-friendly, made from wood chips and recycled materials from sawmills. Notably, TimberHP actively captures and stores CO2 throughout its lifespan, resulting in negative carbon footprints of -9 kilograms per 18.5 square meters. It's no wonder the company's thriving. They've even acquired a paper mill, transforming it into a production hub for this remarkable insulation. For a secure connection, insert the X-Fix elements into the grooves and give them a few taps with a hammer. No need for glue, screws, bolts, or complex parts. This method works for fixing roof, ceiling, and wall elements notably. X-Fix was used in the construction of the Bauhaus Archive in Berlin and the HASSLACHER office building in Norway, boasting a spacious 3,000 square meter floor area. The classic CR100 version comes in different lengths, up to 130 millimeters, and is ideal for various applications including glulam. Advantage deck tiles are hailed as the ideal tiles for DIY installation. Their creators claim that you can transform any space in just a day. Once a revamp your old concrete walkway, consider decorating it with Brazilian natural wood tiles. Keep in mind, it's not a budget-friendly choice. A 50 centimeter square tile, crafted from exotic Garapa wood, comes at a price of $19. However, the color only deepens over time. The manufacturer ensures mold and rot protection, and the installation is easy, even for a single person. Plus, there's a series of step-by-step demonstration videos available. In 2019, an iconic and unique place emerged in Norway, Mjøstarnet, meaning the tower by Lake Mjøs in Norwegian. This 18-story engineering marvel, standing at 85.4 meters tall, became the world's tallest wooden building. Made from cross-laminated timber, the only non-timber elements are the concrete slabs on the top floors. Inside Mjøstarnet, you'll find a hotel, private apartments, a restaurant's offices, a swimming pool, and more. The architects aim to inspire others to create similar structures, marking the beginning of a Renaissance era in timber construction. Stop dreaming, we can build it, assures the Laverty company, operating onto fronts, crafting classic log homes and advanced frame structures. The owner, a former vice president of the International Log Builders Association, brings valuable experience to the table. Laverty's approach involves blending authentic craftsmanship with modern tools and techniques where necessary. For instance, in the modeling phase, the company employs advanced software from TRIQBRIQ, North American, one of the major European software suppliers, for working on wooden house projects. Garbelotto goes the extra mile to simplify life for its customers. They've introduced the clip-up system, an exclusive and patented method for installing flooring. No glue or magnetic base is required, allowing the floor to be used right away. The clip-up system is a highly dependable option, even recommended for gyms. It relies on polymer clips with special milling, ensuring a secure fixation, while also facilitating the removal of parquet boards, which they also produce. This company manufactures over 1 million square meters of wooden floors annually. TRIQBRIQ comes as a response to the climate crisis and the high CO2 emissions in the construction industry. He relies on wood bricks that work like Lego bricks and are connected with beechwood dowels. Builders don't need glue or screws, making the process fast and straightforward. Building a 500 square meter floor only takes 2 days, compared to 10 to 20 days when working with concrete. Brick is versatile, suitable for load-bearing walls, and its reusability offers possibilities for building reconstruction. Format Wood started as a small woodworking shop and has now become an international design sensation thanks to its acoustic wood panels. Reviews highlights how these panels bring a softness reminiscent of freshly baked breads to any space. The numbers are impressive too. The 30mm thick panel reportedly absorbs over 60% of sound in the 200 to 800 Hz range, enhancing speech clarity. Made from oak ash and American walnuts, the panels not only perform well but also look appealing. This makes them a compelling solution for both recording studios and houses. BarcelonaTech stands as Spain's largest engineering university, boasting a network of research centers and over 30,000 students engaged in designing and constructing intriguing structures. Take for instance these pavilions using the Zollinger system, forming a delicate yet robust mesh structure. In one of these pavilions, students employed 12mm thick birch plywood. Such projects pave the way for potential mass-produced modular wooden structures, simple to assemble and aligning with green building trends. Ubbink bituminous tape proves handy for safeguarding wooden deck beams. Is durable, handling temperatures from -40 to +80 degrees Celsius and versatile enough to install 5 degrees Celsius. The tape is UV resistant and shields beams from rot. The standard roll spans 20 meters with an 80mm width, enough for an 8 square meter terrace. Each roll is priced at $22.50. Now let's talk about a classic in the construction world: fasteners. It might be unexpected, but even in this field, manufacturers keep introducing new products. TRIQBRIQ, fast fix fastness. For instance, they undergo laboratory testing and the creators assure minimal risk of cracking during screwing. On the other hand, strong drive stuck truss fasteners adhere to the ICAS International Construction Standard. They're ideal for chemically treated wood, and some versions come in bright orange for improved visual control. Deck-to-wall rubber spaces don't claim to be the best. They come at $25 for 10 pieces, providing drainage and airflow. However, they play a vital role by reducing the risk of materials rotting, potentially saving hundreds or even thousands of dollars. Made of glass-filled polypropylene, these spaces are resistant to water and corrosion. Their large bearing surface allows for better load distribution compared to many competitors. The most compact spaces have a 5-centimeter overall diameter and an 8-millimeter diameter sensor hole. Do you think a fold house is a part of the wood renaissance? Either way, it's a fantastic idea. Building a 51 square meter house takes just 6 hours. The unique construction reminds us of jigsaw puzzles and origami. These houses are light, easily standing on pile and screw foundations. The standard set comes with plumbing, air conditioning, insulated windows, a hot water supply system and wiring. Furniture's not included, but it's a good choice for camping or glamping areas, especially since a fold houses come in 4-bedroom options. If you ever need a mega beam, HASSLACHER is the go-to. Their experts handle the necessary calculations and create any beam you require. Like a wooden beam heavier than an M1 Abrams tank, 60 tons is no small feat. To achieve the needed length of 32.7 meters, HASSLACHER combines 17 separate elements into a single piece, with a final thickness at 1.1 meters. Escort vehicles were needed for transportation. This colossal beam was used in building a bridge in Austria. But if you're not into bridge construction, HASSLACHER also produces beams for highway cameras, business centers, and various facilities. The company isn't limited to 52 meters either. To wrap up, let's explore 2 practical options for privates and commercial projects. First up, we have metal supports for wooden poles, crafted by the German company Pizzle. These brackets work well for installing wooden poles on concrete or base plates. The second solution is wood plastic composite poles. These posts blends natural wood fibers with plastic, making them affordable and more water resistant. They serve various purposes, including fences, screens, and pergolas.